PSU replacement on desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Joriel, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Replacing the PSU power supply unit in a computer is a smart decision when the existing unit is failing, underpowered, or incompatible with upgraded components. The PSU is a critical component responsible for supplying stable and reliable power to the entire system. A faulty or failing PSU can lead to system crashes, performance instability, or even hardware damage, making replacement essential for maintaining the system's functionality and protecting its components. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. PSU replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your PSU replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.